Definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Applications of AI include expert systems, speech recognition, and machine vision. AI can be categorized as either weak or strong. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is an AI system that is designed and trained for a task. Virtual personal assistants, such as Apple's Siri, are a form of weak AI. Strong AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, is an AI system with generalized human cognitive abilities. When presented with an unfamiliar task, a strong AI system can find a solution without human intervention. Example: AI tools present a range of new functionality for businesses. The use of artificial intelligence raises ethical questions. This is because deep learning algorithms, which underpin many of the most advanced AI tools, are only as smart as the data they are given in training. Because a human select what data should be used for training an AI program, the potential for human bias is inherent and must be monitored closely. Because hardware, software, and staffing costs for AI can be expensive, many vendors are including AI components in their standard offerings, as well as access to artificial intelligence as a service platforms. AI as a service allows individuals and companies to experiment with AI for various business purposes and sample multiple platforms before making a commitment. Popular AI cloud offerings include Amazon AI Services, IBM Watson Assistant, Microsoft Cognitive Services, and Google AI Services. Types of artificial intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence. Artificial general intelligence. Artificial superintelligence. Reactive machine AI. Limited memory. Theory of mind. Self-aware. Artificial narrow intelligence, also known as weak AI, and is the stage of artificial intelligence involving machines that can perform only a narrowly defined set of specific tasks. At this stage, the machine does not possess any thinking ability, it just performs a set of predefined functions. Examples of weak AI include Siri, Alexa, self-driving cars, AlphaGo, Sophia the humanoid, and so on. Almost all the AI-based systems built till this date fall under the category of weak AI. Artificial general intelligence, also known as strong AI, is the stage in the evolution of artificial intelligence wherein machines will possess the ability to think and make decisions just like us humans. There are currently no existing examples of strong AI. However, it is believed that we will soon be able to create machines that are as smart as humans. Artificial superintelligence. The development of artificial superintelligence will probably mark the pinnacle of AI research, as AI will become by far the most capable forms of intelligence on Earth. In addition to replicating the multifaceted intelligence of human beings, will be exceedingly better at everything they do because of overwhelmingly greater memory, faster data processing and analysis, and decision-making capabilities. Reactive machine AI. These are the oldest forms of AI systems that have extremely limited capability. They emulate the human mind's ability to respond to different kinds of stimuli. These machines do not have memory-based functionality. This means such machines cannot use previously gained experiences to inform their present actions, that is, these machines do not have the ability to learn. These machines could only be used for automatically responding to a limited set or combination of inputs. They cannot be used to rely on memory to improve their operations based on the same. A popular example of a reactive AI machine is IBM's Deep Blue, a machine that beat chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in 1997. Limited memory. Limited memory machines are machines that, in addition to having the capabilities of purely reactive machines, are also capable of learning from historical data to make decisions. Nearly all existing applications that we know of come under this category of AI. All present-day AI systems, such as those using deep learning, are trained by large volumes of training data that they store in their memory to form a reference model for solving future problems. For instance, an image recognition AI is trained using thousands of pictures and their labels to teach it to name objects it scans. When an image is scanned by such an AI, it uses the training images as references to understand the contents of the image presented to it, and based on its learning experience it labels new images with increasing accuracy. Almost all present-day AI applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to self-driving vehicles, are all driven by limited memory AI. Theory of mind. While the previous two types of AI have been and are found in abundance, the next two types of AI exist, for now, either as a concept or a work in progress. Theory of mind AI is the next level of AI systems that researchers are currently engaged in innovating. A theory of mind level AI will be able to better understand the entities it is interacting with by discerning their needs, emotions, beliefs, and thought processes. While artificial emotional intelligence is already a budding industry and an area of interest for leading AI researchers, achieving theory of mind level of AI will require development in other branches of AI as well. This is because to truly understand human needs, AI machines will have to perceive humans as individuals whose minds can be shaped by multiple factors, essentially understanding humans. Self-aware. This is the final stage of AI development, which currently exists only hypothetically. Self-aware AI, which, self-explanatorily, is an AI that has evolved to be so akin to the human brain that it has developed self-awareness. Creating this type of AI, which is decades, if not centuries away from materializing, is and will always be the ultimate objective of all AI research. This type of AI will not only be able to understand and evoke emotions in those it interacts with, but also have emotions, needs, beliefs, and potentially desires of its own. And this is the type of AI that doomsayers of the technology are wary of. Industry use cases of artificial intelligence. Healthcare. Business services. Finance. Telecommunication. Retail and e-commerce. Aviation. Manufacturing. Healthcare. The biggest bets are on improving patient outcomes and reducing costs. Companies are applying machine learning to make better and faster diagnoses than humans. One of the best-known healthcare technologies is IBM Watson. It understands natural language and can respond to questions asked of it. The system mines patient data and other available data sources to form a hypothesis, which it then presents with a confidence scoring schema. Other AI applications include chatbots, a computer program used online to answer questions and assist customers, to help schedule follow-up appointments or aid patients through the billing process, and virtual health assistants that provide basic medical feedback. Business services. Robotic process automation is being applied to highly repetitive tasks normally performed by humans. Machine learning algorithms are being integrated into analytics and CRM platforms to uncover information on how to better serve customers. Chatbots have been incorporated into websites to provide immediate service to customers. Automation of job positions has also become a talking point among academics and IT analysts. Finance. Faster processor speeds, lower hardware costs, and better access to computing power have given rise to a growing number of fintech companies. There has also been a rapid growth of high-quality datasets for learning and prediction owing to increased digitization and the adoption of web-based services. In the highly competitive financial sector, artificial intelligence is at a rapidly evolving phase, with new use cases and algorithms uncovered in a matter of days rather than years. The availability of AI-powered systems lies heavily on the existing data and infrastructure, and the fundamental demands of financial regulation. Telecommunication. Being applied across a wide array of industries, artificial intelligence has also made its way to the telecom business. Innovative telecom operators use AI and machine learning to increase network reliability, improve customer satisfaction and retention, optimize their business processes for higher profit, and much more. Telecom operators use machine learning to improve customer satisfaction and increase network reliability. To name a few, telecoms can benefit from predictive modeling, process analysis, fraud detection, churn prediction, and dynamic resource allocation. Retail and e-commerce. AI is probably the biggest opportunity companies have in current technology disruption. AI has come to stay, and it's just starting to change the way companies do business. Unsure of how and where to invest to generate the greatest returns, most retailers have not taken advantage of what AI has to offer. Waiting is not a winning option. Retailers must dive into AI's full potential to survive in the next 5 years. There are countless ways in which artificial intelligence tools can be used to help retailers and brands improve their business and better serve their customers. It is more difficult than ever for brands and retailers to make meaningful connections with busy, distracted consumers. Everyone wants to catch people's eye, start conversations with consumers, make people smile and help solve shoppers' problems. Aviation. The world's leading airlines use artificial intelligence to improve operational efficiency, avoid costly mistakes, and increase customer satisfaction. Machine learning possibilities include fleet and operations management, development of autonomous machines and processes, and predicting the passenger behavior. Artificial intelligence can be applied to optimize pricing strategies, increase customer engagement, and improve the overall flight experience. Airbus, one of the leading aerospace companies, is currently using AI to analyze data coming from various factories, predicting when variations in the manufacturing processes occur. This allows them to tackle the problems earlier, when it's easier and less costly, or even prevent them completely. Manufacturing. Artificial intelligence is a game-changing technology for any industry. As the technology matures and costs drop, AI is becoming more accessible for companies. In manufacturing, it can be effective at making things, as well as making them better and cheaper. The manufacturing industry has always been eager to embrace new technologies and doing so successfully. Now, with AI adoption, they can make rapid, data-driven decisions, optimize manufacturing processes, minimize operational costs, and improve the way they serve their customers. This doesn't mean that manufacturing will be taken over by the machines. AI is now an augmentation to human work, and nothing can be a substitute of human intelligence and the ability to adapt to unexpected changes. Benefits, features of artificial intelligence. Reduction in human error. Reduce human risk. Available 24/7. Helping in repetitive jobs. Digital assistance. Faster decisions. Medical applications. Daily applications. Reduction in human error. The phrase human error was born because humans make mistakes from time to time. Computers, however, do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. With artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previously gathered information applying certain set of algorithms. So, errors are reduced and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. Reduce human risk. This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can overcome many risky limitations of human by developing an AI robot which in turn can do the risky things for us. Let it be going to Mars, defuse a bomb, explore the deepest parts of oceans, mining for coal and oil. It can be used effectively in any kinds of natural or man-made disasters. Available 24/7. An average human will work for 4-6 hours a day excluding the breaks. Humans are built in such a way to get some time out for refreshing themselves and get ready for a new day of work, and they even have weekly offs to stay intact with their work life and personal life. But using AI we can make machines work 24/7 without any breaks, and they don't even get bored unlike humans. Helping in repetitive jobs. In our day-to-day work, we will be performing many repetitive works like sending a thanking mail, verifying certain documents for errors, and many more things. Using artificial intelligence, we can productively automate these mundane tasks and can even remove boring tasks for humans and free them up to be increasingly creative. Digital assistance. We all know that organizations have a customer support team which needs to clarify the doubts and queries of the customers. Using AI, the organizations can set up a voice bot or chat bot which can help customers with all their queries. We can see many organizations already started using them in their websites and mobile applications. Faster decisions. Using AI alongside other technologies we can make machines take decisions faster than a human and carry out actions quicker. While taking a decision, human will analyze many factors both emotionally and practically, but AI-powered machine works on what it is programmed and delivers the results in a faster way. Medical applications. In the medical field also, we will find the wide application of AI. Doctors assess the patients and their health risks with the help of artificial machine intelligence. It educates them about the side effects of various medicines. Medical professionals are often trained with artificial surgery simulators. It finds a huge application in detecting and monitoring neurological disorders as it can simulate the brain functions. Daily applications. Daily applications such as Apple's Siri, Windows Cortana, Google's OK Google are frequently used in our daily routine, whether it is for searching a location, taking a selfie, making a phone call, replying to a mail, and many more. Illustrative example. These are some of the companies offering solutions and offerings for artificial intelligence. Amazon, Apple, AMD, Google, IBM, Intel, Microsoft, Nvidia.